What's up, my roadie friends? Colby here with Roadside Showcase, and today we're on day 3 of trying to make a video every day. So I was looking at my editing for yesterday's video last night, and wow, this was looking real bad, but today, not so bad. It's getting better, so that's good. Anyways, it's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I was looking around for, what deals are going on right now around town, and Publix has their ultimate sub on sale, and that's my second favorite sub behind the chicken tender, of course, but still pretty good. So I wanted to order it, and I figured this would be a good opportunity to show you guys who've never ordered a sub from Publix the best way to do it, because you don't want to show up to the store, stand in line, and have to go through that process, because it's usually kind of slow because they have only dedicated 1 or 2 people to the sub making process, and it takes a while because the lines get pretty long sometimes, and tempers flare, punches are thrown every once in a while. So you just don't want to deal with that. So skip all that hassle and just order online. So basically what you're going to do is, first you're going to want to boot up your computer, or if you want to, you can even do it on your phone. But in this case, I just have my computer open, and you're going to want to go to Google and just search for Publix online easy ordering. Head over there, click on this link, and we're going to be ordering from one of their weekly specials. But if you don't want to order a special, you just go into the deli section and look for the sub you want. But we're going to be going to weekly special, scroll down, and there's the Publix Ultimate Sub. So we went the whole. See, it's on sale for $4.99. It's usually $6.99, so that's a pretty good deal. And we're just gonna click build. All right, so I want it on Italian 5 grain. I want Munster as the cheese. You can choose if you want, extras like bacon and hummus and things like that, but I like it as is. So I want some black olives, green peppers, onions, spinach, and some black pepper. All right, and then we can choose to top it with some mayonnaise. And I like it toasted. You can also get it pressed or just like a regular cold cut sub. Pressed, they do it on like a panini press. It's pretty good. I don't like everything squished together like that. I like it to kind of have some room to breathe. You can make it a combo if you want. That means you get chips and a drink. I have drinks and stuff at home, so I don't really want to worry about that right now. So once we make sure that everything we have is the way we want it, we're just going to go right here to add to my order. All right, and then just make sure that it's at the store you want to get it from. So this is my local Publix, but you just want to make sure that it's the store you're planning on going to, because you don't want to order a sub and then go to a store that is not even near you or is not the one you were intending on going to. So just make sure that you're picking the right one. So once all of that is sorted, if this is for as soon as possible, just click first available, and it'll tell you the time the sub will be ready. And then just enter your information down here and click submit order, and it'll be on its way. And then just drive to the store around this time and pick it up. And that's what we are going to do right now. So the process for getting the sub once you've ordered it online is pretty simple. Wait till around the time where it tells you to pick it up. Go into the store, head to the deli section, and look for the pickup counter. Usually it's located right next to the deli, but sometimes they put it on an island in the middle of the area, in the deli area, close to like the cheeses and prepackaged meat and stuff like that. Just depends on the store you're heading to, but most stores will just put it adjacent to the deli area, so look for that. All right. Simple as that. You walk in, you grab it. Now we're gonna check out. All right, well, without further ado, I think it's time to bust this thing open. I mean, look at it. It's got everything. It's the ultimate sub. So it's got ham, turkey, beef, cheese, all those toppings I put on it. So it's gonna be good. I'm ready. I'm ready. So let's bust this thing open. Hello. This is mine though. Okay. Okay. All right. This is hard to do with one hand. All right. Look at that. All right, we're gonna take our first bite here. Well, that was good. So one thing I haven't done in a while is take my drone out for a spin. And I might go to the neighborhood park and give that a shot. Although, rain does seem to be looming. So if we're gonna do this, we better do it quick. All right, here we go. I think it should be clear enough weather-wise for me to take a quick run of this.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So the drone crashed, and I can't climb a gate because I'm a big guy. So I have to call my brother, and he's going to retrieve it right now because it's behind this locked gate, locked baseball field. So I had him jump over the fence. Hardcore parkour over here. All right. Don't die, Corey. Grace. All right, you can go do your thing now. So we do have a damaged blade here. That one's got a little bit of damage. I do have another set, so not the end of the world. It's a little dirty now, but it's intact. I got it back before it started raining, so that's good. Okay, well, I've learned my lesson not to fly drones behind locked gates. But at least my brother was able to come get it. Big shout out to my brother Corbin. He has a YouTube channel too. Doesn't upload much to it anymore, but he makes a lot of funny shorts. He's very talented. He's great with like compositing and motion graphics and things like that, and he makes some pretty funny stuff. So check his channel out. I'll link it down below. But after all that, I kind of need to get some kind of sweet treat. So I'm gonna go head to one of the boba places around here and get something. That's good stuff. Well, that's enough excitement for one day, I'd say. Stuff happens, you know, drones crash. What can you do? But at least we got it back. We got a delicious drink. We got a delicious sub earlier today. And I hope you enjoyed this very informative and at some points pointless video. But we press on. 3 days in a row. I feel pretty good about the stuff I've made. I mean, obviously not fun, like not that much cool stuff, but it is cool. So I'm just going to continue on this track of trying to make a video every day. So thank you guys for sticking in with me. And yeah, more to come. I will see you next time.